How to add hanging indent on Google Docs. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add hanging indent on Google Docs. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Here, you will need to open your Google Docs. For that, you can open a new tab and click on this 9 dots icon at the top right. Once the menu opens, scroll down and then click on this Docs option. Once you click on it, you will be able to open the Google Docs. Here now open your document and now here select the text where you would like to add hanging indent. Once after selecting the text, click on the format option at the top left. And from this menu here, select Align and Indent. After that, some more options will appear. Here, select Indentation options. By doing so, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you will need to enter the measurement or the indentation in inches. Enter the left and right indentation. And then here under Special Indent, select the option First Line and then choose Hanging from the option. And in this box, enter the measurement. After that, click on this Apply button right here. And then here you'll be able to see the hanging indents on your document. You can customize it further by editing the text. So by following these steps, you should be able to add hanging indents on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.